I want a hood scoop. Kind of like what TCRs have. I'll put a picture up here. So, I'll draw some lines, and then I'm going to make some cuts. Because, well, you only YOLO once. So let's get into it. Okay, that's 2 down. Let's do one more here. Alright, now we have a giant hole in the hood. Whoa. We almost have a giant hole in the hood. We got, oh, whoa, wow, that's not what I wanted. We have some cuts. So, let's, stand up here. See what we can do. Let's see, let's look at the other side. Oh yeah, pretty beautiful. Not a problem. All right, let's see. Probably gonna have to score because I'm gonna have to take out these braces right here, wherever they end, and then I'll be able to bend it how I want to. Hopefully. Oh, you can't see the braces. See those braces? These? I'm gonna have to cut it right around here so I can bend this piece because it's all, you know, braced up. I'm gonna see what I can do for that. As you can see, I cut this and I cut that and I cut my thumb. So, let's see about bending this now. And I'm going to put gloves on because I don't want to do that again. But I'm just going to bend it slightly right now, just to get it. What I don't want is the rest of the hood to bend. So I'm trying to see if I can. Might have to get up in there. Okay. Alright, what I'm gonna do, because these are gonna hit when I bend it, so I'm gonna clear out a little bit of material. I'll be right back. Those are gonna bend the braces. That's what I'm talking about. Got that out of there, so hopefully with any luck here, let's see, let's get this here. Oh, no, you there. Like that. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom, bada glove. Let's see. Oh, like butter. Like butter, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That's looking sexy, huh? Hell yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay. There is some structure there that I can't really get rid of. That's alright. I can potentially just close that up and put something over it here. Put this up more. Now, I'm not sure how far I want to go down with this yet, but I think right there. I don't know why I'm talking with a Boston accent right now, but I'm not from Boston. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to see if I have enough steel to make up some triangles for that. I'll be right back. Threw the piece in there. It's just kind of sitting in there. It's not welded or anything. It's a little bit short of what I wanted or what I need, but that's the biggest piece that I had. So got to get some steel for that. But man, does that look freaking killer. I just threw the biggest piece of steel that I had in there real quick to see what it would look like. Obviously it needs to be longer so it can fill in the gap, but man, does that look freaking sweet as hell. Maybe put a little bit of a lip here to, you know, to scoop, just like the TCRs, whatever. So I'm probably going to get rid of most of the structure inside of here if I can, and then clean up, you know, the edges of this part of the hood as well. I might actually just put a thin little plate over this, and that'll tighten it up. I had some mesh laying around, so I threw that in there, and man, I think that actually looks freaking sick. And it also matches the fender. And I might throw some in here too, just, you know, stop crap from going in there. So I made some modifications from how it looked last night. I cut this chunk out of what was on this flap, and I curved it nice and curvy. I like it. I used a piece of exhaust to curve it. I'm going to do the sides over here a little bit more, but I think it looks really good. And bonus, this piece I can throw right in here after I cut it and close that up and make it look all pretty in there. And for anybody who doesn't know, the understructure on a Mark IV hood is just glued in there. I didn't know that. Let me see. No idea. I've never cut open a hood or anything like that, so this was a surprise. Thought it would be spot welded, but nope, at least not on the sections I cut. So now I'm going to cut this section up and get it fitted to that area there. Okay, so I got this cut to fill this gap, and I was like, you know what's a better idea? Obviously I got to clean this up. This is not straight, neither is this, but I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in here at a slight angle, and then use this to make a little lip, basically just like that, and I think that'll really look sweet on there. So if I clean them up and do that, I think it'll look great. And that'll be the end of this video here. So if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know what you think. Should I put the mesh in here, or should I do a solid piece? I think the mesh is gonna look really sick. So let me know in the comments, and as always, let's freaking go, dude.